Imagine a future where death is not inevitable, but a choice. A world where aging is a distant memory, and the human lifespan stretches out before us like an endless road. Could we one day conquer aging and live forever? Can we, through technology, unlock the secrets of aging and make living forever a reality? Join me as we explore the science pushing the boundaries of human lifespan. Hold on tight, because the journey to immortality is sure to be a wild ride. Our bodies are intricate machines, a complex symphony of cells, tissues, and organs working in concert. But like any machine, our bodies experience wear and tear over time. This gradual decline, driven by a myriad of factors, is what we call aging. At the cellular level, aging manifests as a decline in function and an increase in damage. Cells accumulate mutations in their DNA, the blueprint of life, leading to errors in cellular processes. Proteins, the workhorses of the cell, become damaged and misfolded, disrupting vital functions. But aging is not simply a matter of wear and tear. Our genes, the inherited instructions that shape our traits, also play a crucial role in determining our lifespan. Some individuals possess genetic variations that predispose them to longer lives, while others inherit genes that accelerate the aging process. Understanding the interplay between these genetic and environmental factors is key to unraveling the mysteries of aging. By identifying the genes and pathways involved, scientists hope to develop interventions that can slow down or even reverse the aging process. Imagine our DNA as shoelaces, with protective caps at each end called telomeres. These caps prevent the DNA strands from fraying or sticking together, ensuring the genetic code is copied correctly each time a cell divides. Each time a cell divides, its telomeres shorten a little. Eventually they become so short that the cell can no longer divide properly, leading to cell death or senescence, a state where cells stop dividing but don't die, potentially causing harm. This process of telomere shortening is thought to be a key driver of aging. The discovery of telomeres and their role in aging has opened up exciting new avenues for research. Scientists are investigating ways to slow down or even reverse telomere shortening, potentially delaying the aging process. One promising area of research focuses on an enzyme called telomerase, which can add length to telomeres. While telomerase is naturally active in certain cells like stem cells, it is largely inactive in most adult cells. However, researchers are exploring ways to reactivate telomerase, potentially extending the lifespan of cells and tissues. The advent of gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 has revolutionized our ability to manipulate the building blocks of life. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to precisely target and modify DNA sequences, opening up unprecedented possibilities for treating genetic diseases and potentially even reversing aging. Imagine being able to correct genetic mutations that predispose us to age-related diseases, or even enhance genes that promote longevity. While still in its infancy, gene editing holds immense promise for extending human lifespan and improving the quality of life in our later years. Beyond gene editing, other cutting-edge technologies are emerging as potential weapons in the fight against aging. Stem cell therapy, for instance, harnesses the regenerative power of stem cells to repair and rejuvenate damaged tissues and organs. Senolytics, a new class of drugs, target and eliminate senescent cells, those zombie cells that contribute to age-related inflammation and disease. Section 5, the Fountain of Youth, Myth or Reality. While the scientific quest to extend human lifespan progresses, it also raises profound ethical and societal questions. If we could significantly extend human lifespan, how would it impact our society, our values, and our very understanding of what it means to be human? A world where people live significantly longer would have far-reaching implications for everything from population growth and resource allocation to healthcare systems and social structures. It would also challenge our traditional notions of life stages, family dynamics, and the meaning of life and death. Moreover, the potential for life extension technologies to exacerbate existing social inequalities is a significant concern. Access to these transformative technologies would likely be unevenly distributed, potentially widening the gap between the haves and the have-nots. Ensuring equitable access to life extension therapies would be a paramount ethical challenge. Section 6. A world without endings. The prospect of significantly extending human lifespan raises fundamental questions about the nature of life and death. Would we cherish life more or less in a world where death was no longer inevitable? Would we be more or less motivated to make the most of our time if we knew we had centuries or even millennia ahead of us? Some argue that death gives life meaning, providing a sense of urgency and purpose that would be lost in a world without endings. Others contend that extending lifespan would allow us to achieve more, experience more, and contribute more to the world. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to extend our lives would be a personal one, shaped by our individual values and beliefs. However, the societal and ethical implications of life extension technologies are far-reaching and demand careful consideration. Section 7. The Unknown Horizon. The quest to understand and potentially control the aging process is still in its early stages. While significant strides have been made, much remains unknown about the complex interplay of genetics, environment, and cellular processes that contribute to aging. Despite the challenges, the pace of aging research is accelerating, fueled by advances in genomics, molecular biology, and biotechnology. New discoveries are being made all the time, bringing us closer to a future where aging is no longer seen as an inevitable decline, but a condition that can be treated, delayed, or perhaps even reversed. Imagine a future where we can repair damaged tissues, regenerate organs, and reprogram ourselves to stay youthful and healthy for decades longer than currently possible. While such a future may seem like science fiction, the seeds of this revolution are being sown in laboratories around the world today. Section 8. The Cosmic Perspective. As we stand on the cusp of this brave new world of extended lifespans, it is essential to remember our place in the grand scheme of things. We are but travelers on a cosmic journey, our time on this planet a fleeting moment in the vastness of space and time. Whether we live for decades, centuries, or even millennia, our ultimate fate is intertwined with the fate of the universe itself. Stars will be born and die, galaxies will collide, and the universe will continue to expand and evolve long after we are gone. Yet, in the face of this cosmic indifference, humanity continues to strive, explore, and push the boundaries of what is possible. The quest to understand and potentially conquer aging is a testament to our indomitable spirit, our insatiable curiosity, and our unwavering desire to make the most of our time in this remarkable universe we call home.